Heavy rain. Nice and heavy. But it's gonna clear up like really quick, and then there'll be nothing. And then it should dry up the road pretty quick. So if anything, it'll cool things off maybe a little. Probably not. It's not usually how it works. Feel good though. Feel good for, you know, getting 70 miles this week so far. Yep. This rain's kind of making a little wind that feels good. I just happen to get lucky though here. Might as well eat a cookie. Shawnee Cyclist, big group ride, 60 miles, unofficial Superman ride. They canceled the ride due to the virus, so 7 of us are riding it. See how I do. This is going to put me over 100 miles this week. I've rode a lot. Just me now. I'm dropped, which is fine. You know, I'm a slow rider. So I'm not looking to stay with the group the whole time. I'm just not that skilled yet. I just want to do 60. That's my goal. Let's get her done. Looks like we have some rain. Rain up ahead. I thought it was going to be a clear day. They get wet. They feel good. You could see it straight off that way. It's pouring rain. That is like a heavy downpour. So I don't know which way that thing's going. But if that gets to me and it's that strong, might be boating by bike. Whew. A lot of agriculture out here. Looking good, the corn. At least I got to see some corn. So I checked the radar, and this cell in front of me that has lightning, it's a thunderstorm. It's going south, just west of my location, northwest. So hopefully it'll just keep going, rolling into the Ohio River in Kentucky, and leave me alone. I think I should be okay. I might get clipped though by some rain over me. It doesn't look like it storms, but it's gonna be a little bit of rain. So there's a chance I can still get wet. There's some rain on that baby. Good rain on it. Huh. Then over here, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. It's really cool. Just a shoot of rain right there. Crazy. little thing hanging out of the sky. Makes me kind of nervous. Always gonna have to look over my shoulder. Make sure that sucker ain't gonna grow downwards. Coal train. Coal train. I recognize these hills from last time. First time I did it, a couple of years back, about right here, someone had to get off and throw up. But I made it up. I'm hoping I make it up this time. I'll be beat when I get to the top. Whew. Try to stand up, ride. Yeah. Tough. Oh man. Barely did that. Check to see if I was going the right way. I kind of lost the arrows. I think I am. I think I go all the way up here and turn left, right, and go into Joppa. So that should be the way I need to go. Welcome to Joppa, home of the Rangers. That's what the sign said. It's a little town. Much like my little town. Hurst may be a little bigger though. The storm is still up there. I've not been rained on yet, but I have a feeling. I have a feeling I'm about to get rained on. Hey, note to a car driver. When you see a cyclist on the side of the road riding, it's okay that they're allowed to be there. Don't honk at them to let them know you're there. They probably already know you're there, or they'll know when it's important to know. But if you honk at them, it kind of gives us the assumption that we're getting ready to get hit, and it scares the hell out of us. So try not to honk. By the way, I'm getting rained on. It's raining. I'm taking shelter over under some old building. So figure I might as well take a little break. I went about 25 miles. Back on the road again. Passing. Heck, this road's smooth. Nice smooth road for a change. Been kind of bumpy. I think that little break really helped me out. Kind of glad it started pouring. I took shelter. Better than being soaking wet. That ain't no fun. Sky now. Nice and clear, clearing up. All the storm is behind us. Should be a dry ride now. Heck, even the road's dry. Rain hasn't even hit here. I turned the corner and look what I see, a hill. Darn it. 30 miles, folks. halfway done. All is well, still. Done about 33 miles and counting. Feel good, feel great for halfway. Feel really good. Of course, the pack is still way ahead of me. I'm sure they kept riding in the rain. Had my first dog. Looked at my little mirror I got because I heard some like little, you know, little nails are across the ground, and I see this big black thing chasing me, and I'm like, get, and I just kick it to speed, and I obviously outrun him. So, had my first puppy. Oh yeah, 41 miles, 41 out of 60. It's all downhill from here. Less than 20 miles left. Heck yeah. Cool. Done good so far. New Columbia Hill. Behind me the whole way. Gave me plenty of distance. That's all you gotta do, folks. They're friendly. I like that. Mile 50. All this be on Strava. Hopefully my watch won't die. Shouldn't. But it doesn't last as long as a Garmin watch. Hopefully Apple fixes that. Otherwise I'm not getting another one. Oh man, I'll tell you what, folks, this last 10 miles has been rough. It's gonna be a rough 10 because I'm getting tired. I'm just trying to take it easy. Probably hear the interstate to my left. I'm drinking a lot though, so that's good. I am hydrating. Well, hey guys. Shawnee, Cyclist here, and I am pooped. I'm pretty pooped. Longest ride of the year, 59 miles, not quite 60. I had the goal, I had the plan, not the goal, the plan of if I got there and I wasn't to 60, I was going to ride around until I hit 60. I wasn't into that when I got there. I looked at my truck and I was like, oh, air conditioner and padded seat, you know. So 59 miles, good enough for me. I'm still like 119, 120, whatever miles this week. Tomorrow I'm gonna hike. Not even gonna think about the bikes. Monday, I'm gonna take probably a complete rest day and not do hardly any kind of activity. That's probably what's gonna happen. So recap of the ride, started out with the group, hung around with them until they dropped me after about 10 miles. No hard feelings, they're fast, you know, and they shouldn't have to ride slow for me, all right? So I knew I was gonna get dropped, and I'm fine with that. My goal was just to do the ride, and that's what I did. I didn't have to give up, didn't have to call no one. So I'm happy. After 10 miles, got dropped. About mile 25, mile 26, got to Joppa. It started pouring down rain, so I took shelter at some old business right by the school under their little canopy. he gave me a perfect, ample opportunity to take a break. You know, there's no sag because there's no official ride, so you're kind of on your own there. So yeah, I want to take a little break. It really helped. About 30 miles in, the sun came out. You know, halfway through the ride, the sun came out. It was pretty hot. Oh, only got chased by one dog. Didn't catch me. I'm faster than it. Got honked at quite a bit by people who I think assume that if you see a cyclist on the road, you should honk. Guys, that's a no-no. Don't honk at me unless you're getting ready to wreck into me. All right, so because when I hear a honk, I think someone's getting ready to hit me. I think I'm getting ready to get hit. You know, a guy on a motorcycle did it, and I'm thinking, man, if I'm in my truck and I get behind him and I lay on my horn, it's gonna freak him out and he's gonna be mad. Well, you know, it's the same thing with a cyclist. You know, you use some common sense. You know, I'm glad I got to meet a couple people. I got to meet a buddy named Shawn that I've only known on the internet. He's a fan of hiking with Shawn. He watches my videos. You know, I really appreciate it. I had some of my stickers sent to him, and you know, I finally got to meet him. You know, and that's cool. So I got to meet a couple new people. Got to hang out with Matt and Jared, my good friends, good cycling buddies, and overall I had a really good ride. So I'm really looking forward to not riding for a while, for a couple of days. So yeah, I got over 2,000 foot elevation too, so it's, I think, the most elevation I got this year, you know, in a single ride as well. So that is my ride. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And thanks for watching Shawnee Cyclist.